0 point is a stored memory for auto leveling. This is most often for a perfectly level unit, but it's better thought of as a preference where you want the unit to be after we press auto level. In Titan leveling, custom set points may be used to create a small tilt in the trailer to allow rain to run off in a preferred direction, or a larger tilt to assist with maybe draining the tanks, or for any other creative reasons, you can customize your setting.
There are 3 different screens you could possibly see, but to set the set point, it'll be the same process for each of them.
To enter custom set points, there's a couple of ways we can do it. You can either tap on Options and then tap on Set Points, where we will see 4 different set points with the arrow, or you can access this by going to Auto Level and tapping the ellipsis in the right-hand corner. We can now see a screen that shows the jacks, and you can select which jack you want to operate by tapping on them, and you'll notice that it'll highlight blue when we do so. With the front highlighted, we will operate the front. The left will operate the driver's side, and the right will operate the passenger side. And if you highlight both the left and the right, we can move the rear jacks. Use these to adjust the position of the trailer. To achieve a level trailer, it's best to place a level in the center of the unit and level front to back by using your front jacks to achieve level front to back. Once we are level front to back, we will turn the level from the side to side position and adjust the left to right position by simply extending the side that is lowest. Once your desired position is achieved, press set to record the new set position. Titan leveling can also be controlled using the OneControl system, so if you're not using the Auto Level Pro, check out one of these resources to set yours.